Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, let's not forget about the tips and tricks. Subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. Let's get started right now. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today, my son is going to be firing up this grill. So I'm going to drop some boneless ribs on it. Guys, you don't want to miss this video. Subscribe, tap the bell so you'll always be notified, and join this channel, guys. I've got some amazing things just for members only. I hear them coming. Let's get inside so we can get prepared. Okay guys, I have my boneless pork ribs. They're already seasoned. I seasoned them up earlier with my special seasoning mix, and I've let them sit in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, just so that they can kind of blend in with the seasonings. So let's go outside and check on the grill. Okay, looks like we're all ashed over. My son is spreading the coals around on the grill, and we're just about ready to go ahead and get our meat on the grill. He will be grilling some chicken today with, again, my special seasoning on it, but I'm just going to interrupt him and throw my boneless ribs on the grill right beside his chicken. Okay, guys. So we've brought our pork ribs outside and we are ready to put them on the grill. And I'm going to place each one on the grill across the grate so they'll have room to make nice grill marks. And I'm not going to turn them over or anything until they're pretty much done on that side. It's going to be a one and done type thing, meaning I'm going to turn them once and let them cook on the other side after they're pretty much done through to the middle on the first side.
You're welcome. You want to smoke?
And while those are cooking, guys, I am going to go ahead and get my green beans ready. I have a piece of aluminum foil that I have shaped into a bowl, and I'm just going to sprinkle some seasoning on these and get them on the grill too. I'm going to be putting some onion powder on it. You know I have my go-to seasonings, onion powder and garlic powder. So that's the onion powder. Now we're just going to sprinkle a little garlic powder on the top. Then guys, I'm going to add just a little bit of my special seasoning here. I'm going to just sprinkle this on there. Okay. Now guys, I'm going to add some olive oil, just about a tablespoon or two of olive oil. You can put the olive oil on there first, mix it around, and your seasonings will stick, or you can do it this way. Either way, once you stir it up, they'll stick and be just fine. Okay. So we are back over here to the grill, and it's just about done. This is my son's chicken that he's grilling out here as well. So let's go ahead and get ready to get our boneless pork ribs turned over on the other side. Yes, look at that, guys. We've got some good grill marks on these. Awesome, awesome sauce. Yes, 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 yes. All right, guys, that's just what you're looking for. You want those good grill marks on there. And if you're constantly turning them, or if you turn them too soon, you won't have the grill marks. So make sure, if you're looking for grill marks, that your grate is nice and hot, and that you leave your meat on it long enough to get those good grill marks on there. Okay, get these turned over here. Okay, now we're just about ready to get our green beans on the grill as well. I'm just gonna close the foil up just a little bit. I put a couple of pats of butter on top, just a little bit more added flavor, and I'm going to put them on the top part of the grill until my meat comes off, and then I'm going to put them on the bottom half for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, now we are ready to put some of my house-made barbecue sauce on here. And guys, I'll be showing you my sauces in a different video. This I already had made and ready to go, so I'm just going to put a little bit on here and let that cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and they are done. Time to take them off. Guys, we are pretty much done now. I'm going to bring my green beans down on the bottom part of the grill. All right, now we're going to just open up this foil and get these turned off. Make sure our seasonings are stirred up really well and let these cook for about 5 more minutes. I just like my green beans to be fork tender so they'll still have that crunch. Guys, we are all done with our green beans and our barbecue boneless pork ribs. Yes, don't they look good? I'm Chef Pam. This is Chef and More. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll always get my videos and all my updates. And I'll see you next time.